In this video, we're comparing Motion versus Asana. Links to the best deals are in the description. Let's get started. Ease of use and setup. Motion takes a bit longer to set up because it asks you for your calendar, work hours, and deadlines. But once that's done, it automatically builds your schedule, saving you from daily planning. Asana is quicker to start. You can add projects, tasks, and due dates in minutes with a simple interface that's easy to use. But you will still need to plan when to do each task yourself. Verdict: Asana is faster to start, but Motion's extra setup time saves more time later. Planning and scheduling. Motion uses AI to place your tasks directly into your calendar. If something changes, like a meeting running late, it automatically reshuffles the rest of your day. You don't have to move things around yourself. Asana gives you the tools to plan, but you decide where tasks go and adjust them manually when plans change. It's flexible, but it takes more time to manage. Verdict: Motion handles planning for you, while Asana is better if you want to control the schedule yourself. Task management. Motion schedules every task you add, giving it a set time in your day. If priorities shift, it updates the plan automatically so nothing gets lost. Asana organizes tasks into projects, boards, and lists with options for subtasks and milestones. But it's up to you or your team to keep everything updated. Verdict: Motion is best if you want tasks managed automatically. Asana is better for detailed, hands-on tracking. Team collaboration. Motion works with your team's calendars to avoid conflicts and keep deadlines realistic. It automatically schedules work so projects move smoothly. Asana focuses on clear communication and tracking. You can assign tasks, share files, and comment directly, but it won't auto-schedule around team availability. Verdict: Motion simplifies coordination with automation, while Asana offers stronger visibility and ownership. Pricing. Motion doesn't have a free plan, but you can try it free for 7 days. After that, it's $29 per month for the AI Workplace plan, or $47 per month for the AI Employees plan billed annually. If you have a team of 5 or more, the price drops to $19 or $29 per user. Asana, on the other hand, offers a free plan that works well for basic needs. Paid plans start at $10.99 per user each month for starter and $24.99 per user for advanced billed annually. The more people you add and the more features you use, the higher the cost. Verdict: Motion costs more upfront, but includes automation that can save time every day. Asana is cheaper to start with, but costs can grow quickly as your team and needs expand. Support and reliability. Motion offers email support and an online help center with guides and tutorials. It's reliable with few reported outages. Asana provides email support, a help center, forums, and training resources. It also has a large active user community. So the verdict: Motion keeps support simple, while Asana offers more ways to get help. Extra perks and unique features. Motion's biggest advantage is AI scheduling that updates in real time. It syncs with Google Calendar and Outlook and offers features like focused time blocking. Asana stands out with customization. You can use different project views, create custom fields, and integrate with hundreds of apps. So the verdict: Motion excels in automation, while Asana wins on customization. Final verdict: choose Motion if you want your schedule planned and updated automatically. It's ideal for busy professionals and small teams who value time savings. Choose Asana if you prefer to organize and adjust everything yourself. It's perfect for teams that need structure, flexibility, and detailed tracking. Alright, I hope you found this comparison helpful. The best way to support the channel is by using the links in the description if you decide to try either tool. It won't cost you anything extra, and it helps us keep making videos just like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.